Hello guys, welcome to the tutorial series of Ethical Hacking by Tutorial AM. In this tutorial we will talk about DOS and DDoS. DOS stands for Denial of Service and DDoS stands for Distributed Denial of Service. What DOS does, it's deny the server request and make its request to flood the server and to get the server down. And what DDoS does, the procedure is same as DDoS, but it distributes the request between bots or users. If you want to use users, you can send them the DDoS links and they just DDoS a site to down it. And if you create a botnet that are a fake users or a fake programs that flood the system and make it full of requests and just crash the server. So DOS and DDoS is a really dangerous attacks. It's really dangerous because it causes a website to be totally down and totally unfunctionable. So today I am telling you the first trick that how to DDoS a website in Windows, because this requires a lot of knowledge. So please watch it carefully and listen to my words, because this thing really helps us in future tutorials. So first of all, what I am going to do is first I will connect myself to the VPN. I will click the VPN and just search the password. That was the password is bestvpnusa.com and hit enter. Now I will see the password. The password is 9355. Just connect it. 9355 and hit connect. Our VPN is successfully connected. Now let's check in which region we are. If you don't know how to make a VPN, please watch my tutorial that name making a VPN in Windows and then come to this tutorial. So we are in United States and our region is New York. Our IP is this. Bingo. Now let's start DDoSing. For DDoSing, we have to download a tool called LOIC. This LOIC is the tool that is basically used by the hacktivist group Anonymous itself. It has been developed by Anonymous group. So LOIC, and you have to download LOIC.exe. Just search for LOIC.exe on Google and download the first link, which is SourceForge link. Just click it. This type of page will open and just download it. I want to tell you guys that DDoS is not bounded to DDoS sites or servers. You can DOS or DDoS CS servers, game servers, matches servers, IP cameras, mobiles, etc. Whatever you like to DDoS, you should have the IP of that thing or some link to that thing, and then you can DDoS it. There are a lot of technologies to DDoS, but today we are learning LOIC DDoSing procedure in Windows. In Kali Linux, I will tell you more procedure after this tutorial. So Stay tuned and keep watching. Now let's check how this LOIC work. My LOIC just finished downloading and I will just click it and it has given me the exe. Just run the exe and run. Now this is LOIC, which stands for Low Orbit Ion Cannon. Now how it works, it is basically generates multiple requests and just flood it to the servers. Now websites or anything you like, it just flood it like my website can carry the load of 100 user and I am just DDoSing a request of 1000 user. My server just gone down and it is totally hanged, totally flooded because I DDoSes more value that the server can handle. So let's DDoS a site. Let me pick a site. I am DDoSing dmusty.pk. This is a website. Let's check the website is up or down. I will search Google like web up or down. Oh sorry. No, I will search for web up or down. This is a dmusty site. It is basically a sharing portal of some net, I guess DreamNet. So we will DDoS this today. I will make a disclaimer here, do not DDoS Facebook or Google or big sites like this because they have a tracker and they just track your IPs and you can be in a really big trouble. So use it wisely. I am only doing this for educational purpose. I don't support hacking and don't support to exploit a really big system. So we will check dmusty is up or down. dmusty.pk and hit enter. Okay, it's up. Now what we have to do is we have to type in the URL. I will just copy the URL for saving the time and just paste in our LOIC and just click on log on. We have the IP of the website. Now what we have to do, we don't have to change any of the setting. Like there is a timeout there, this is a timeout in seconds. I will just change it and put a 1 over here, or you can leave it whatever you like, that is 9001. I will leave it default. Port 80. If you know Nmap, you can scan whatever port you like. If you don't know, just check the port 80 because in most of the site it is usually open. I will tell you Nmap port scanning in my further tutorial, so till then use the default port 80. The method we are going to use is UDP method. It is basically a protocol that do not need port forwarding. It just forward your port, that is port 80 traffic to the website port 80. So use UDP, and the thread I want to pass is 10,000, and we are all done. We have to just click I am charging my laser. This is the button that starts the DDoS attack. Just click it. The request is generated. Okay, now let's check the site. I will close it. Now I will type dmusty.pk, and as you can see, dmusty.pk is not opening. As you can see, it is just on a connecting version. As you can see down here, connecting. So let's check the website is up or down. Sometimes DDoS requests too much that your net speed really gone slow, so don't worry because DDoS is a really heavy software. so it requires a lot of bandwidth. Don't worry, it will load sometime. If this is not working, test it on or say another friend to check. Now when I stop my DDoS stop flooding, all website just gone right. Like, I will open a new tab and type in dmusty.pk. As you can see, dmusty just opened when I stop DDoS. You can see the DDoS is not running. The total request we send is this number. So this is how we DDoS the site. I hope you guys to see in the next tutorial. Take care, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till then, Allah Hafiz.